Hey guys, it's Scarlett at Build Across, and I have a new cutout to show you. It is this floral antlers on our beadboard slash shiplap board. And all I'm doing is going in and base coating it with the color putty. And then I'm going to go in and brush some chocolate in with it. And I'm just going to kind of blend that in until I'm happy with the way it looks. Pretty much the only important step for this is that both of your paints are still wet when you're doing this, because it won't blend into dry paint. So just go ahead and do it while your putty is still wet. I'm just going over my antler area and kind of drying those so that my paint doesn't smear. And you guys, I'm using all Dixie Belle chalk paint in this video. You can purchase online at buildacross.com along with the cutouts I'm using and the brushes. And this cutout is a paint by line, which means all the lines are etched into the cutout for you. You don't have to worry about freehanding anything. And I'm choosing chocolate for my antlers. A lot of times I would go in with putty for my antlers, but because obviously I've used putty so many like on the background, it's not going to pop, so I chose chocolate. And now I'm going to start painting my flowers, and I'm going to use 3 colors for my flowers, and that is peony, lucky lavender, and soft pink. These are probably my go-to colors whenever I'm painting flowers. I just love the way they go together. I'll also use limeade for my leaves that are kind of on those, kind of like on the sides and tucked in. I love limeade. You'll see me grab it almost every time I use green paint. And then I'm just going to go in and kind of dry those flowers so that I can carry on to my next step. I'm using this heat gun. You guys, it really is a total game changer when it comes to these cutouts. Alright, now I'm going in with my number 4 round and some white paint, and there's little lines etched onto these flowers, and I'm going in and going over those lines with this white. And then next I'm going to go in with black, but I'm going to use the black to outline each of my flowers. I'm also going to use the black to outline my antlers. And I'm using paint. Now if you wanted to, you could go in with a Sharpie marker and it'd be a much more clean line. But this is just a different paint style where I have the, more loose, imperfect outlines. And I like to do that with like a number 4 round, and I'll usually gravitate towards my Apple Barrel acrylic black. It's just a more watered down paint, which creates a smoother line when you're outlining. And you guys, once I'm done outlining my antlers and everything here, I'll actually be done. I'm not going to do anything further with the board. I like the way it looks with the brown brushed into it. And I don't really need any highlights because my flowers are already highlighted. So that'll be it. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and have a wonderful day.